warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Rayhan.
What do you do?
I'm a student of class 3 in Madrasa Umar Farooq Radhiyallahu anhu.
How many students are there in your madrasa?
There are 500 students in madrasa.
How many teachers are there in your madrasa?
There are 20 teachers in our madrasa.
How is our creator?
Allah is our creator.
What is your religion?
My religion is Islam.
How is our prophet?
Our prophet is Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
What is the best place?
Honesty is the best policy.
In which country do you live?
I live in Bangladesh.
What is your mother language?
Our mother language is Rohingya.
What is the name of our capital?
The name of our capital is Arkan.
Thank you
So much.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.